Hello! In this video, we will learn how to select who can comment on your videos on TikTok. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell to receive all updates. Through this option, you can choose who can interact with your content. Here, it appears that the Everyone option is automatically enabled, allowing anyone to comment. By activating the second option, only your followers will be able to comment. As for the last option, when enabled, no one will be able to comment. I will choose the second option. As you can see, I have successfully selected who can comment on my TikTok content. Finally, please support us by liking the video and following us to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you, and see you in the next video.